Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to fix your disk write error here on Steam. Now if you're new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps out the channel with the algorithm. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now if you have found a game that's currently giving you the disk write error, here's what you need to do. Right click on the game, go down to Properties, and from here go down to Installed Files, and then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once you've clicked this, it'll quickly run a quick go through of your game just to make sure all your files are correct. If this doesn't work, the next thing I do is restart Steam, and if anything else doesn't work, I would then make sure to go through, uninstall the game, and then reinstall. If that still doesn't work, another thing you can do is actually going in and changing the folder that you're using for downloading the games. If not, you may need to reach out to Steam support. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.